These birds take the opportunity while foraging on the grounds, looking for insects hiding underneath. And they take advantage of their long legs and black claws to be able to roll over the rocks, leaves, and even the tree barks in search of the insects. And not only that, they are intelligent enough to break nests and even steal food from other birds as well. Well, if the insect were to take off and perhaps fly away, the sound press the carcass, I learned to make vertical flights into the air to catch it just like Mary. Here we go. Awesome. Okay, let's see that again. Okay, roll, are you ready? Excellent, well done.
Hand it up. Sure, he can do better, right?
Better.
We're going to try. Where is he?
You give me the try.
Right over here. Mr. Rao, this way, sir. Over
And
here.
you want to forage on the top as well. Okay. There you go.
Okay, Mr. Rao, we're going much higher, right? 1, 2, 3. Higher! Whoa! Look at that. Well done. All right, thank you very much, sir. You've done well. You may get back home now. Bye-bye. We'll see you later. Good boy. Round of applause for Raul, our Southern President Canada. Earlier on, I mentioned that the caracaras are known to eat from carcasses, but these birds are not strong enough to hold up one. So they will need the help of special bird friends. Special bird friends like vultures. But unfortunately, vultures are widely misunderstood birds of prey. You know, when we watch TV, they usually portray vultures as evil birds, soaring high up in the sky. And there's always this ominous music in the background with the sense of impending doom. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to tell all of you the real story.
The vultures are nature's cleanup crew. And they use conceptual to fly and glide as they search data using their sense of sight and smell. The vultures help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the very first vulture, Zena, our turkey vulture. Look at them flying down. Turkey vultures can be found in the Americas, and they are pretty abundant in the wild, close to about 10 million of them. And these birds have got excellent sense of smell. They're able to pick up the stench of rotting meat from miles away.
Well, that means if there is a big animal, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. Other vultures will follow suit to do the hard work, which is ripping apart the top part of the carcass.
And turkey vultures have stomach acid as acidic as cow batteries, so this enables them to digest carrion pretty well. Well, Tina has done well. Time for the head back home. Thank you very much, though. What was that? Bye-bye. See you later. There you go. Round of applause for